Today I will show you how to add a new user on your Mac OS X. You'll need to go to Preferences, go to Users and Group, unlock it, entering your password, and select Add New User right here. Here on the top you can select the type of the account, standard or admin, sharing only, whatever you would like. I will select standard, entering the name of the user, let it be YouTube, and the same for the account name. Use iCloud password, why not? No. I will select, in my case, a separate password. Let's make it as easy as possible. Okay, create a user. Okay, the system will ask you about automatic login and turn on. Turn off automatic login. It will save you some headache. Okay, and you're ready. So, just easy, you can create a new user account on your Mac. Very simple. Thank you very much. Bye bye.